Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Written Episodes. I will be creating a series of videos discussing the major arcana and minor arcana cards, and I will be using the deck Heaven and Earth Tarot by Jack Sephiroth and Jamie Elford. So, with this series, first we will be discussing the Fool card. So you can see in any deck the first card, which is a 0 number, is a Fool card. And why I have chosen this deck, that will be in another video, which is quite mysterious story. So now let's get started with the Fool card. As you all can see, just give me a second, let me grab, okay, let me take this, right? So if you can see the Fool card, you can see a wolf which is owling looking at him. You can see he is standing somewhere on the edge and he's looking at a far side and he looks happy. Though Fool card generally is gender neutral, I am just suggesting he, right? And he also has the pentacles embedded in his dress, right? You can see is one foot here and you cannot see another foot. Also you see some colors like red, white, brown, and he's standing somewhere near the mountains, you can see, and there is a bird right here and mostly a pigeon, white pigeon, and there is the sun with the snowflakes formed, right? And he has something which is, I think it is a butterfly right here and a small luggage or small belongings, I would say. So whenever the Fool appears, it's like mostly you are going to be gender neutral and it is just a spirit of a free being and just going with the flow and believing in unbelievable faith, maybe leap of faith. And when this card is seen in a negative perspective, it is being blocked, being stuck, unable to move ahead, right? Also this person is holding a white rose in his hand, that is a flower, right? I'm not sure, I feel like it's a rose, but it might be some other flower which I do not know, right? So also if you see it's represented by the number 0, which also moves in and out of time space, right? There are many cultures that do not place 0 at the beginning of a sequence. So it's like, Fool's androgynous position can be moved around to any place in the major arcana sequence. So it's basically the Fool has access to all other cards, meanings, and archetypes. They can learn to master all of them. He is the beginning, middle, and end of the sequence. And the energy is new and innocent. And he keeps open mind and wanders around the world. Right? And we can also associate the signs, which is air sign basically, that is Aquarius, and other air signs such as Libra and I'm sorry, I forgot the other one. Going forward, what can be the possible reverse meaning? The reluctance to change, right? Being blocked, desire to stay where you are, feeling restrained, fixed position, and to unblock yourself. So, this is it about the Fool card. I hope this was resourceful, and thank you for being here. Thank you for listening. If you like, hit a like and subscribe. Thank you, everyone. Going forward, we will be looking at another minor arcana card. That's all. Have a great time ahead, people. Until we meet next time. Thank you.